Blocking someone on Spotify can help you manage your listening experience and avoid unwanted interactions. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Open Spotify app. Launch the Spotify app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to the profile. Navigate to the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by searching for their username or finding them in your followers or friends list. Step 3. Access the options menu. Once you are on their profile page, look for the 3 dots or options menu usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal more options. Step 4. Select block. In the options menu, find and select the block option. This will prevent the user from following you or interacting with you on Spotify. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to block this user. Confirm your choice to finalize the blocking process. Now you can enjoy your Spotify experience without any unwanted interactions. If you ever change your mind, you can unblock the user by following similar steps.